Hello everyone and welcome to Cheyenne G Designs. Today I wanted to quickly show you how you can use my digital planner sticker kits in real life. Alright, so we've got my iPad here. I've got it open to my Zinnia app, which is what I prefer to do my digital planning on, but I have used GoodNotes before. We've got a visitor in the background. Hi, Quinn. It's real life, I'm telling you. Alright, so I just got a blank page open here. Let me actually lower you down a little bit so you can maybe get a better view of what's going on. Okay, so I find the easiest way is to pull up your files and have it in a double window with your GoodNotes or your Zinnia app. And then all you have to do is go in your files, find what you want. I've got this open to the Aladdin kit in the full box folder. So cute. All right, so all you're gonna do, you're just simply going to hold and drag it over, get that green plus sign going on over there. You drop it, you can resize it to whatever you need it to be, and you can be creative. You can set it up like you would with a normal like Erin Condren or Happy Planner, however you want. It's your planner, design it the way you want to. This works just as well in the GoodNotes, but some of my older folders also have the GoodNotes sticker books that you can just import them straight into GoodNotes. Okay, and that is it for the digital planning. It's as easy as that. And then you have like all of the things available for you. So, show you this. See? The galactic coffee cup. This is one of my favorite coffee cups that I've designed. So yeah, you can have that going and make it whatever size you want in your digital planner and just have a whole lot of fun. All right, next, what about people who want to do print and cut? Okay, so I've got my laptop. It's open to Cricut Design Space. I've only ever used a Cricut. I don't quite understand how Silhouette works because I've never worked with that software, but I imagine it's going to be similar. So you're just going to follow the basic steps that you would for print and cut. So new canvas, go to upload, upload image, go ahead and browse. And actually, let's go ahead and use this. So this is one of my older kits. I already had it as a set up as a go ahead print and cut the whole thing. So whenever you are uploading an image, make sure to always hit complex, especially if it's a print and cut. You want to get all those details in, and you're going to go through, do everything, make sure you're saving as a print then cut. Go ahead and hit save. It's going to take some time because that's how it is with Cricut sometimes, or really anything. And I don't have the fastest laptop. But once that goes through, you can then pull it onto your canvas. Eventually, there we go. All right, and you can see I've already taken the PNG file from the Aladdin one that we used in the digital planner, and I've uploaded that. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull both of these in to the same canvas just to show you. And it might take a while because they're going to pull in a lot bigger than they should be, or they need to be. Okay, so let's hide the Aladdin Jasmine, just make this easier. All right, I'm going to click on one of my older kits. This is the quarantine one. All right, now for the print and cut, you want the dimensions to be 6.75 by 9.25. So you might have to play with these numbers a little bit because Cricut can be a little weird. But yeah, 6.75, and make sure it's like 9.25, and that should give you the proper dimensions to print and cut to make stickers to use in your regular paper planner. And let's see, let's do the other one now. Okay, so having all of the different PNGs in my newer kits, I've given you the ability to go ahead and kind of put together the bits and pieces from the kit that you want to use. So again, you can make it whatever size. Most planner boxes are 1.5 inches, so go ahead and change all of your dimensions, get all of your bits and bobbles and pieces on there. Go ahead and print and cut everything. Having the individual PNGs is also giving you the freedom to make whatever you want out of all of this. If you want to make this into a postcard, if you want to put it on a t-shirt, put it on a mug or something, whatever. Like, be creative, have fun with this stuff. Like, I want to give you options and make that free and available to you. So, all right, I think that is basically it. And thank you so much for supporting my little small business. All right, have a magical day. Bye-bye.